Franchising is a popular way to start a business by using a pre-existing brand name and established operational systems. At its heart, a franchise is a legal agreement where an entrepreneur pays for the right to operate a business under a proven model. Beyond the initial startup cost, franchisees usually pay ongoing royalties, which are a recurring percentage of their gross sales to the parent company. The relationship relies on these four pillars. The FDD is especially important as it outlines the legal and financial obligations of both parties. The main trade-off is between the support and brand recognition of a franchise and the total decision-making freedom of an independent startup. Initial capital requirements vary wildly. Franchises often require higher upfront liquid assets to cover site development and licensing fees. While a franchise provides a roadmap, the daily grind and local management remain the responsibility of the business owner. Research your options thoroughly and read the disclosure document before committing capital. Thanks for watching and see you next time.